Hey everyone, I'm here. I just got my new instasmile in, so I'm excited. Instasmile has been absolutely great through their whole process, emailing me, keeping in touch with me. So every time I called, they responded. They were just amazing. So as you can see, I had a root canal done on my tooth when I was younger, so it just shrank up, and I've always had a complex about it, but here we go. Here's the case it comes in, and now ready to try it on. And I got the top and the bottom, so here we go. We're putting the top in first, and then that's going to snap right on up inside. So like that. I haven't even seen them yet here. And then now for the reveal. Oh, I look rich. It's nice. Oh, wow. A big shout out. A big shout out to Instagram. I mean, instasmile, sorry. I think I'm going to post on Instagram after this. instasmile has been absolutely amazing. So I highly recommend it. I've read some instasmile pissed customers, but I don't know what the issue was. But from the molds to taking it through the whole process, big shout out. And here's the end result. Is, wow. I mean, what do you want me to say? $1 million smile. So check them out, guys.